It is literally the size of my face. Are you screaming or am I screaming? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing an unboxing, and this is a long time coming because I literally got this a year and a half ago, and I don't know why I never thought to make an actual unboxing review on it. Remind you, this is my very first Chanel. I got it from my dad. Let's start small. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys an outfit on what to pair it with. Let's get it. We are finally getting straight to the point, but what the actual heck? This is so crazy. Look how small it is, first of all. I got this, like I said, a year and a half ago. The actual name of this, I had to write it down because it's pretty long. It's called the Chanel Mini Lambskin Top Handle with a Chain. It is literally the size of my face, and it's just so freaking petite. So obviously it comes with a whole chain. You open it up and it has a tiny mirror. Oh my gosh, hi, you guys are literally looking at yourself. It's nice because one thing I really like about mini purses like this is the fact that you can just like customize how long the chain really is. Inside I have like a couple slots or whatever, and sometimes when I don't want to put my Louis Vuitton key holder in here, I kind of just like take out my credit card, my ID. That's literally all you need, and some cash, you know what I mean? And then it has another slot on the inside too. I probably can't even see it honestly because it's so dark, but trust me on this. There's like 2 slots on this end, also 2 slots on this other end, okay? So it's really nice, and you can actually fit like a lot of things that like you need for just the night if you're going out for dinner. It's magnetic, so look how simple that is. Chain is actually really comfortable, and just because the bag isn't super big, this doesn't hurt me like at all. Also, I'm gonna show you guys how to kind of like weave around the Chanel chain, just so you can make it shorter whenever you are, you know, wearing different outfits or whatnot. So you kind of just like weave it in like this the first time, and I know it kind of looks weird like this one end, but then you take the other end and kind of like weave through here. You kind of just have a short chain like this, honestly. So with this, I just wear like a crossbody on top like this. So with this particular outfit, even then it's kind of like super cute. I love wearing the whole mini crossbody look, like OMG. I'm gonna show you another small look where you can also weave it around another time and just do this. Look how cute this is. Another style that you can just easily wear like this, okay? And then the thing is, if you just want to hold it, right? If you just want to hold the chain, you don't want to wear it around your body, you can easily just pull out this side right here because it's gonna like double up. I mean, hold this sometimes too. It's really cute. But honestly, either or. I don't know. What do you guys prefer? I like the whole medium length where you can just kind of like put it in between your arms. But I also love this so much too. Literally, like, not even kidding, 1.5 pounds maybe? I don't even know. The actual lambskin, I think you'd have to be really careful not to scratch it. It's really puffy, really soft, very delicate. I don't even think Chanel sells this particular bag anymore. Like, if you look on Rebag, I originally got it for around $3,300 or something like that, and that's not, I don't even think that includes tax, or maybe it did, I don't even know, but let's just say estimate, okay, around there. Also comes with this box, and I love the whole blackout look. Obviously with a dust bag, it is so freaking cute. All I gotta do is just kind of put it in here, to be honest with you, and then I kind of just put it back in the box because, you know, don't really like putting it out in the open sometimes. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I just like, deserves to be in this box every once in a while since they gave it to me anyways. And then also I remember when they wrapped it, Chanel gave me like a whole ribbon thing and like a paper flower, and it is so adorable because I ended up just actually cutting off the ribbon and using it as like ribbon ties for like my hair like this. It was like, I think like this, and it was so freaking cute. Authentication, that's basically it. I mean, I can't believe this. It's like ASMR Chanel edition. Anyways, let's try on some outfit. Okay. Don't mind it being wrinkly. This doesn't matter because you're gonna wear a jacket over anyways. Soon as I live with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. In terms of shoes, I would either wear my Gucci sneakers because it has, I don't know, it just looks like more vintage look or whatever, or Alexander McQueen's, or just Prada sneakers, kind of like this, where it's all white. Do we like the Prada ones? Or do we like more like the vintage Gucci look where it's kind of more flat, no platform whatsoever? I don't even know. I personally would probably go with the Prada ones just because it does have a whole inch and a half of like platform. I'm kind of going for more like a preppy look anyways. I took a bunch of photos in LA and it is just like, I'm obsessed. Okay, that was probably one of my best photos of this year yet, my top 3. Okay, so that's basically it for this entire video. I hope you guys liked this unboxing, outfit, review, whatever it was. Honestly, like I love always doing these fashion unboxings because it's literally like so fun. Let me know if you guys have any questions because honestly, leave your comments down below. I will definitely answer them, and I think that's basically it. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way you know when I'm posting the entire week, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye! Bye!
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.